Chapter 4 My Silly Sister. Learning Objectives. 1. The innocence of a baby girl and her funny acts are taken care of by her brother. 2. To understand why bond of siblings is important. Warm up. Draw a picture of you and your sibling playing together using pencil colors. Mom, your baby girl is foolish. She's very silly and childish. She does not even understand the difference between street lights and stars. Do you know, she thinks the pebbles we play with are food. Sometimes she even tries to put them in her mouth and eat them. She tears the pages of the book whenever I try to make her learn ABC. She shouts and cries. Look, that is how she behaves. She laughs when I scold her. I tell her that she is naughty and shows my anger, but she only laughs and runs away. Even though everyone knows that father is away, I generally call him playfully. She checks her surroundings quickly as she believes that the father is here. My classes sometimes involve the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry the dirty clothes. I am the schoolmaster. I tell her that she should keep quiet. Then only she stay quiet. I insist that she calls me Dada. Your baby daughter desires to catch the moon. She's so funny. Mom, your baby girl is foolish. She is very silly and childish. Find meaning. Childish, of or like child. Roars, makes a loud sound. Pebbles, round stones that are found in or near water. Playfully, in a funny way. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. What is the funniest thing baby does? Do you think babies are really silly? Talk to your parents and ask them about your activities when you were a baby. Share it in the class. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. There are certain rules children must follow when they go out. Choose suitable word groups from the box to complete the sentences. To strangers, you cross the road, across the road. Fight with each other to buy everything they see in a shop. A. Children should not run across the road. B. Always hold the hand of your mother or father when you cross the road. C. Children should not talk to strangers. D. Brother and sisters should not fight with each other. E. Children should not ask their parents to buy everything they see in a shop. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Choose and circle the right place for each of the following. A. Classroom, playground, hotel, taxi. B. Sky, earth, desert, balcony. C. Street, moon, cupboard, playground. D. School, library, shed, den. E. Hospital, street, bank, aeroplane. Logical thinking. Kelly is very protective of her younger sister. They both love each other. However, the little one never cleans her mess. What should Kelly do? A. Ask her sister to clean the mess. B. Clean it herself. C. Help the younger one to clean the mess. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Who is the speaker of the story? Whom is he speaking to? Answer: the speaker of the story is the brother. He is talking to his mother about his younger sister. B. What does the poet do with the donkeys? Answer: the speaker classes sometimes involve the donkeys as the washerman brings them to carry the dirty clothes. C. Why does the poet call the father? Answer: he generally calls his father to be playful with his sister. Find their meanings. A. Playfully, light-hearted manner. B. Surroundings, the things and conditions around a person or thing. C. Differences, dissimilarity. Complete the following sentences from the chapter. A. The baby sister does not know the difference between street lights and stars. B. She laughs and thinks it is great fun when the speaker scolds her. C. She thinks father is near when the speaker generally calls him playfully. D. The washerman brings the donkey to carry dirty clothes. E. The speaker wants the baby sister that she calls him Dada. Tick mark for the right answer. A. The baby sister is very 1. Reddish, 2. Childish, 3. Mature. 2. Childish. B. She considers dash as real food. 1. Pebbles, 2. Marbles, 3. Balls. 1. Pebbles. C. She dashed the pages of a book. 1. Tears, 2. Collects, 3. Scribbles. 1. Tears. D. The speaker insists his sister call him 1. Baba, 2. Dada, 3. Papa. 2. Dada. Match the following. A. Silly, B. Pebbles, C. Mischievous, D. Fetch. Column B. 1. Stones, 2. Naughty, 3. Foolish, 4. Grab. Answer: silly, naughty, pebbles, stones, mischievous, foolish, fetch, grab. Conceptual understanding. Write a poem on your sister or brother using the words given below. Baby, star, play, cry, fun, naughty, papa, mama, school. Communication. Writing skills. Write 5 sentences on how you help at home. Reading skills. Read the story carefully and find out describing words used for the following words given. A. Silly, B. Bright, C. Real, D. Great, E. Dirty, F. Really, G. Silly. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read the paragraph below, listen to it carefully and discuss the following questions. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn ABC, she tears the pages and roars with joy at nothing. A. Who is I in the above lines? B. What are A, B, C called as? C. What does she do to the pages? Let's learn spellings. Say these words aloud. B, C, tree, P, deep, Jeep, heel, peep. Let's learn grammar. Make as many words as you can by rearranging the letters of the word. Schoolmaster. A, car. B, toll. C, has. D, her. E, cost. F, toss. G, ear. H, cool. Vocabulary time. Look at the examples and write the many words, plural. 1. Bus, buses. 2. Class, classes. 3. Bench, benches. 4. Brush, brushes. 5. Watch, watches. 6. Box, boxes. 7. Glass, glasses. 8. Dish, dishes. Project. Paste a picture of your sister or brother who you love the most. Write a few lines on your brother or sister. Life skills. Coping with emotions. If you find yourself in situations like, what will you do? Situation 1. You have a lot of homework and you have to prepare for a dramatic competition tomorrow. What would you do about it? How will you plan? Situation 2. You find out your friend ignoring about your ideas about upcoming exam preparations. You don't like it. How do you feel? What would you do about it? Situation 3. A classmate makes fun of your hobbies. How do you feel? What would you do about it? Situation 4. Someone did something wrong, but you can't speak about it. How do you feel? What would you do about it? Do you think there are better ways to deal with these situations? What would they be? Discuss these situations with a friend. What do they do?